Oh my, didn't I tell you? And I was videoing. That was perfect. Did you? See, even this couple saw it coming. That was hilarious. Yeah. What is wrong with you? You gotta balance, girl. What you doing? Thank God I was videoing. That was the staff's fault. That wasn't your fault. That was totally staff. Here comes the walrus. We got him in. We got. Oh my God. That is awesome. I cannot believe that just happened. That was hilarious. Okay. Grandpa got up. Grandpa, come on, Grandpa, you got this. Okay, Grandpa's up. Try it again in a second.